How to leave a text group on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. From here, tap and open any group chat. If you want to leave this group chat, then tap on the group name at the top. Over here, tap on Delete and block this conversation as shown. Tap on Delete and block conversation again to confirm. When you do this, new messages in this conversation will be automatically deleted. You have now successfully left the group chat. Following these steps, you can easily leave a text group on iPhone.